Let's go. What is up, Scootaheads? Hey, I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day, week, month, year. Hope my audio's okay. Headed to a car show today, and I know it's not motorcycle content, but I wanted to bring you guys along. I decided to take my CBR redlined yet, but I got the RPMs up there, probably about 8 grand, 7,500. There's so many different myths about proper braking, whether or not you should be easy on it, whether or not you should have a variation of the RPMs. I'm just rocking with it. Yeah, I love riding. Do you guys go to car shows, or is it strictly motorcycles for you guys? I'm a big car guy, and so I always go to all the car shows that I can, especially during this time of year. I'll go to a car show every chance I get. So I know I made that video a couple days ago about the CF Moto. I think that it's great that new, motorcycles are making their way to the US. I'm not in the market for a motorcycle right now, obviously, but I do think that they have some great options for, entry level, but also options for those that can save a couple dollars from like getting your traditional, like for example the MT-07, for example. They have a compelling option for that, or another option versus getting the Honda CBR, for example. So they have some options. Blind spot. Yo, this chick is bobbing behind me. The light's red, lady.
Had to do the voiceover in this section because they were playing music and I didn't want to get any copyright holds or anything like that on the video. But yeah, this is the muscle car show here. They've got a ton of 3rd generation, 4th generation Camaros and Firebirds F-body platform, which I'm into. They've got Mustangs. They've got some 60s classic muscle cars, things like that Camaro, beautiful. And then you got like that Oldsmobile convertible Cutlass that you never see anymore. Mustang GT 500, I believe that was. So there's a lot of variety as far as in the muscle car, American classic automobile, like muscle car vehicles here. So what are you guys' favorite cars? I know this is a bike channel, but what are your favorite cars? Or do you like imports? Do you like muscle cars? Do you like, you know, European vehicles? What's your favorite type of vehicle?
Yeah, all right, got out of there. Busy ass area. The cars out there was cool, but there were more muscle cars. I'm a muscle car guy. Don't get it twisted at all. Definitely a muscle car guy. It's more fun when you go with people though. I should have brought my Firebird up there. It would have fit in perfectly. I still want that LT1 Camaro. I might buy that joint, man. I've been looking, I'm not gonna lie, but there just not been any available. I'm gonna wait until my lease is up on the little Chevy Trax and probably do something then.
Alright, so we're at the second car show of the day. This one was put on at a local college, so I know a lot of the students that are here, a lot of these are probably some of their cars. So as you can see, you got some imports like the Mazda Miata. I don't know if that Honda Accord is in the show or not, but 4th gen Camaro there. Got a Ford Focus. Looks like a Mustang. Got that nasty Camaro there. Got the lowrider truck. So there's a lot of variety here. You got some old Volvo over there, Subaru, WRX. You got the there's a lot out here. There's a 370Z, old school 280Z. So there's a bunch of stuff out here. I just love being around cars and the car culture, as well as motorcycles and motorcycle culture. But yeah, guys, thanks for checking out the video and hanging out with me on my car show visits today. Please continue to watch the video, share them, and I will check you on the next one. Peace. Be blessed, y'all. Ride safe.